The Renters' Rights Act 2025. What landlords need to know: the Renters' Rights Act is set to transform the private rental sector, giving tenants stronger protection and setting clearer responsibilities for landlords. This act marks one of the biggest changes in renting in decades. The act will abolish Section 21 no-fault evictions, meaning landlords can no longer remove tenants without a valid reason. Instead, all tenancies will become rolling contracts and possession will only be allowed under legal grounds, such as selling the property, moving in, or cases of rent arrears or antisocial behavior. It's about balance, fairness, and accountability for both sides. All landlords will need to register their properties on a new national database. This ensures transparency and makes it easier for tenants and councils to verify compliance. You'll need documents like your gas safety certificate, EPC, and electrical condition report ready and up to date. For the first time, private landlords must meet the Decent Home Standard. Properties must be safe, warm, and free from serious hazards like damp, faulty wiring, or poor insulation. Under OWAB's law, landlords must also fix dangerous issues such as mold within strict timeframes. The new act also limits rent increases to once per year and with at least 2 months' notice. Tenants can challenge unfair rises through a tribunal, and for pet lovers, tenants will have the right to request a pet, which landlords cannot unreasonably refuse. Discrimination against tenants on benefits or with children will be banned, ensuring fair and inclusive renting. A new private rented sector ombudsman will handle disputes quickly and fairly, and every landlord must register. Councils will gain stronger powers to enforce compliance with higher fines for breaches. The goal? To raise standards and restore trust in the rental market. To stay ahead, start preparing now. Update your tenancy agreements, review your properties, and keep clear digital records. The Renters' Rights Act isn't just about compliance, it's about building stronger, fairer relationships between landlords and tenants.